Every parent wants their child to speak English confidently, but many parents believe one myth. I don't know English, so I cannot teach my child. But that is completely wrong. Today, I'll share you 7 simple habits that every parents can follow, even if your English is not perfect. Hello everyone, Radhe Radhe. My name is Arvind and welcome to my channel, The Develop Mind. If you are parents who wants to improve your child English, you are in the right place. Let me tell you something. I come from a Bhojpuri-speaking family. Learning Hindi was difficult and learning English was even harder. That's why I understand what many Indian families go through. So let's start. Habit 1. Speak one English sentence every morning. First of all, don't teach your child grammar. Let's say, good morning, how are you? Did you sleep well? Even 1 minute every morning creates a habit. Habit 2. Praise effort, not perfection. If your child says, he go to school, don't laugh and never say, this is wrong. Instead say, very good. Let's say it like this. Because children learn faster when they feel confident. Habit 3. Name things around the house. Point every object. For example, say them, this is a chair, this is a spoon, this is a window. Because children remember words better when they see them. Habit 4. Read together. Spend 5 minutes reading a simple English story. And don't worry if your pronunciation is not perfect. Your child learns from your effort. Habit 5. Ask open question. Instead of asking, did you enjoy school? Ask, what was the best thing you learned today? Because a long answer builds speaking confidence. Habit 6. Create an English time. Choose just 10 minutes every day. During those 10 minutes, everyone speak only English. No pressure, no fear, only practice. Habit 7. Be patient. Remember, children don't learn English in one week. Language grows little by little. Celebrate every small improvement. One new sentence today, another tomorrow. That's how fluency develops. So, if you follow these 7 simple habits every day, believe me, you will be surprised by your child progress within a few months. Remember, your child doesn't need perfect parents. They only need supportive parents. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and share with others. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Radhe Radhe.